Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you probably guessed by the thumbnail, I've been spotting more stuff on Facebook Marketplace again, like I always do. This time, I'm going to take you guys along for a ride, see if, with a little bit of knowledge, or I say a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of knowing what you're buying, being in there at the right place, the right time and stuff, enables you to buy an item which can be worth a lot more money. Might have to do a little bit of work on it, might not have to. It all depends on what it's like when you turn up and stuff and you actually look at it. There are some bargains out there, there's also some complete and utter scams out there. And the scams are unreal at the moment on Facebook Marketplace, but don't get me started on them, they make me angry. But once again, nice bright early morning. Bright, early, pitch black. Yeah, don't think it's bright and early to be honest with you. It's early, that's for certain, 5 o'clock in the morning again. But at the moment, it's -5 out here and it's absolutely freezing. I've even got gloves on, it's that cold. So yeah, using the T4 again as a workhorse again, chuck some more salt on it like I have been doing. It's like keeps turning black to the fact that you can't even read the number plates and stuff, but that'll be life. Gives it a wash again, keeps it going. But let's go have a little drive. I've got about an hour or so's drive each way on some real crappy roads. I've got to go into Wales and stuff up into the valleys. But that is what it is. It's things you do to a bit of time on your hands to go make a few quid, or say make a few quid. I might even keep this one for myself. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but there's the option there, whatever I want to do with it. But let's see if we can go pick something up, bring it back to the unit and see what we can actually do with it. See, well, between us, can we make something look better than what it was in the first place? So how about let us know in the comments thing down below whether I make something worth more money or not. I don't know, I might do. I might just do one of my cock-ups I've done before I made nothing, but time will tell. Anyway guys, I'm going to get driving and I'll see you soon. Well guys, as you can see, now getting light and sun's coming up. We picked up the item on our way back with it. I was planning on doing a lot more filming of stuff and on the way there and back and stuff, but the roads were just so horrible I was struggling to actually see. The wind tree at the moment is pretty good, but there's times where the wipers and everything froze solid and I couldn't see bugger all. So let's get on back to the unit anyway. Right guys, just got back. Yeah, my van is absolutely hanging to say the least. Got to a stage where I was struggling to even see through the windscreen because as you can see it's yeah. But it's probably the most salt this van's had on it in a long time. You've got to look at the state of it round there, and this bit, well, you can see the middle bit there is meant to be that colour, but it ain't that colour. The whole van's like that. It's absolutely, totally and utterly disgusting, to say the least. But it is what it is. That's the joys of driving on the roads at this time of year. So looks like I know what I'm doing later, washing the thing. So let me show you what I've got and show you why it was worthwhile me taking the trip to Wales. Well, I say taking the trip, so it took me an hour to get there, an hour to get back. So yeah, let me show you what I mean. Alright, so what we got guys is complete and utter rock and roll bed. It's a professional made one, not a homemade Mickey Mouse one. It's got all the proper catches and all the rest of it. This one, easy way of putting it, it wasn't kind of, let's just sit in here, it's a bit warmer in here. It wasn't kind of listed quite correctly. This is what I mean by you can make money on Facebook Marketplace if you know what you're looking for. What I mean by that is, you look at the pictures, don't just necessarily assume it is crap. Because this one isn't. I'll put the pictures up now, of the two pictures, I mean the only two pictures that the person put up, and you'll see exactly what I mean. You got one which shows a seat which is upside down, not trimmed, and the other one doesn't really give a good representation of the picture. And the description, well, yeah, that's on a different level altogether. But that's up to the person how you want to list it and stuff, because the easy way of putting it is, when I turned up and looked at them, I thought it was exactly right, and I honestly believe that once they take these covery things off of here, I honestly believe underneath there is going to be some quite neat material. So let me do that and then we'll see, shall we? Right, let's lift that one up. As we can see, look, this is what gives me the game away. The pictures just look like turd. I don't care about this, so I'm just going to cut it off. Cut that one off. Let's see what we got underneath, shall we? Yeah, exactly what I thought. Got some leathery material, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that one. So let's see if we manage to get all the same and all the rest of them. And if we have, we've got a well good result. Oh. Now the blade stuff don't want to cut. Let's have a look. Oh yes, another one exactly the same. As you can see, what's wrong with that? Absolutely nothing whatsoever. And that there, as you can see, you could add quite a bit of value straight away by just having that photoed like that. I'm going to take the other two off and then we'll see the difference, shall we? And the backs, guys, are exactly the same. Absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. I need to shove them across a bit. So, as you can see, if someone took pictures of it like that, instead of the pictures you got, you'll see exactly what I mean by you would easily get yourself your money. But so all the sliding bits and stuff in there works exactly as it should do. Pulls out, slides back in, does what it should do on a tin, as it should do, or as you should expect anyway. But yeah, absolutely perfect. And as I said, now I put the other side back in. All fits absolutely perfectly. It's actually quite a nice colour to go with the van. I'm wondering whether I keep this one instead of actually sewing it on. But yeah, I think I might end up keeping this one. And instead of building another U-shaped seating, building one with a rock and roll bed on it instead this time. It'll be different. That's giving me some thoughts. Wonder how that's going to work. Yeah. But as you can see, guys, it just took me, what? If you say theoretically, getting there, getting back, messing around, and looking around online took me, what? I just say 4 hours for example, and it's cost me 20 quid in fuel. I paid 200 quid for it. So if you put the 20 quid on, so it owes me 220 quid plus 4 hours of my time. I could easily, and I mean very, very easily, put this up for sale now to between £400 and £500, and I will get it all day long. It's not hard to actually get that whatsoever for it. So as you can see, guys, I can make myself a day's wages in half a day of just messing around and finding things on Facebook Marketplace. So it is possible to do. You just got to know what you're looking for and mess around and stuff, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to get you a small little video of seeing the type of things I get up to and how I do the stuff I do for the prices I do. And when I say I do things on a budget, I really do things on a budget. I've got other things in the pipeline at the moment which I'm in the process of doing, but it's taken me weeks and weeks and weeks to get to do the bits because of the weather. It's not the right weather to be painting or anything else in this at the moment. I'm waiting for filler and things like that to go off. It's taking forever. So I just wanted to get you a little short video this week, guys, of something which gives you something to watch, work out a little bit of how my life is, and show you guys you can make yourself some money as well. But if you haven't already, guys, I would really appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. If you want to support us, that's the best way to do it. It's completely nutty free, doesn't cost you a penny whatsoever, and you get notifications and everything of all the stuff we put up and stuff, and get to follow along. As I said, there is a lot more videos coming. It's just waiting for the weather, which I'm hoping next week it's going to start to warm up again enough to get painting and stuff. And one of the things is getting this van back to show-worthy condition, and I'm running out of time, so that's going to be a mad rush of getting that done. But I promise you guys I'll film it this time, and I will. So we got that, and I've made a cock up with something else. So that'll be life. That's something for you to have a good laugh in your at my expense again, as usual. I like doing that one for you. But anyway, guys, hope you all had a great new year. I know it's a little way into January now and stuff, but this year's going to be a good one. I can feel it. Well, I hope it will be anyway. I'm going to be I'm going to be positive. It will be a good one. So all you guys out there that have been watching us from right at the beginning, I really do appreciate you all being there. All the new guys that have just come along, which we've had quite a few new subscribers come along recently, I appreciate you all as well. And until the next one, guys, hope you're staying safe. Peace.